Here's something worth thinking about. The most powerful screen you own right now might not be the one in your pocket. It might be the one sitting on your face. Smart glasses in 2026 have crossed a line most people haven't noticed yet. We're not talking about glorified Bluetooth sunglasses with a tiny speaker. We're talking virtual screens the size of a movie theater wall. We're talking real-time 3D conversion, gesture controls you operate mid-air, and AI that talks back to you while you're mid-run on a trail. 5 pairs of glasses, 5 completely different reasons to want them. And one of them, you'll see which one by the end, lands so well, it's hard to argue with anything at any price point. Let's find out which one fits your life. AR glasses have had a weird few years. A lot of hype. A lot of products that looked slick in a promo video and felt underwhelming in your hands. That's changing fast. The 5 pairs covered here aren't hype picks. Each one was chosen because it does something specific better than nearly anything else in its category right now. Whether your priority is pure visual quality, athletic performance, budget value, spatial immersion, or an all-day daily driver, there's a match here for you. One quick note, product names and specs are pulled directly from official product listings. Where numbers felt uncertain or context-dependent, the language will reflect that. No inflated claims, no spec sheet theater, just what these things actually do and who they're actually built for. Keep your eyes open for the one detail about the #1 pick that most reviewers skim past. It matters more than the headline spec. Starting with a pair that solves one specific problem extremely well: the desire for a big screen without the bulk of a headset. The Rokid Max 2 AR glasses are priced at $429 and weigh in at around 75 grams. That's lighter than most sunglasses you've worn for a full afternoon. The display throws up a virtual screen reportedly equivalent to 215 inches at a distance of about 6 meters, the kind of scale that makes your 65-inch TV at home feel modest. The panels are micro OLED, running at 600 nits brightness and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Motion stays clean, colors hold up. Whether you're streaming Netflix on a long flight, gaming off a laptop, or running video from a Steam Deck or ROG Ally, the image quality is consistently strong. There's no internal battery to manage. Power runs through USB-C, which keeps the design slim and eliminates the charging anxiety that plagues a lot of wearables. Compatibility covers Android, iPhone 15, PCs, and popular handheld devices. User feedback consistently circles back to 2 things: how easy it is to set up and how little strain builds up over extended sessions. Reports of 4 to 5 hours of comfortable use aren't rare. If your use case is entertainment, and only entertainment, this is one of the cleanest executions of that idea available right now. But the next one on this list isn't built for sitting still. The Oakley Meta Vanguard costs $499 and answers a question that outdoor athletes have been quietly asking for years. What if my glasses actually worked with my lifestyle instead of just riding along for the trip? Oakley brings the frame engineering. Meta brings the intelligence. The result is a pair of sport-focused smart glasses with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera capable of recording up to 3K Ultra HD footage, along with slow motion and hyperlapse modes. The field of view is reportedly 122 degrees, which is wide enough to catch the full scene when you're moving through it. Built-in stabilization handles the rough stuff: trail bumps, fast turns, quick elevation changes, so footage comes out cleaner than you'd expect from glasses. For cyclists and runners especially, that stabilization isn't a luxury. It's what separates usable footage from a blurry mess. Garmin Device Sync reportedly lets the glasses auto-start recording based on motion or speed thresholds, which means you're not fumbling with buttons mid-climb to capture something. Open-ear audio lets you run music, take calls, or ask Meta AI a question without pulling out your phone or losing environmental awareness. Battery life is reported at around 9 hours per charge, with the case providing additional charges, solid for a full day of activity. The design doesn't look like tech gear. It looks like Oakley's. That matters when you want to wear something all day without looking like you're conducting a field test. That covers sport. Now, what about the viewer who wants maximum visual performance for under $300? Because that exists and it's closer than you'd expect. At $299, the Raino Air 3S Pro XR punches well above its price. That's not filler language. The spec sheet backs it up in specific ways. The display is a full HD micro OLED panel running at 120 Hz, generating a virtual screen reported at around 201 inches from 6 meters away. Color accuracy reportedly hits 98% of the DCI-P3 color space, which is the standard used for professional cinema content. Contrast ratio is listed at 1,000,000:1, a number that contributes heavily to how sharp and deep the image looks in real-world conditions. Then there's the brightness figure, 1,200 nits. That's a legitimately high number for AR glasses at this price point, and it shows in environments where most glasses start to wash out. Raino built-in TUV certified Opticare 2.0 certification for eye safety, which addresses the concern a lot of people have about prolonged display use. Dual-chamber speakers deliver solid audio, with a Whisper Mode 2.0 feature that keeps sound localized to the wearer. Less audio bleed in public. Setup is plug and play. Compatible devices include iPhone 15 and 16, Steam Deck, ROG Ally, Nintendo Switch 2, and most Android and Windows devices. No app downloads required to get started. Reviewers frequently point to visual comfort and color clarity as standouts. The one common note: extended use can generate some warmth in the frame. Not unusual for hardware at this density, but worth knowing. For anyone who wants a genuinely capable AR display experience without spending the better part of $1,000, this is currently one of the strongest arguments for staying under $300. What comes next, though, moves into completely different territory. The Arvature Luma XR glasses are priced at $749, and they're built for a very specific kind of person, someone who wants the full immersive spatial experience, not just a floating screen. The display uses Sony micro OLED panels, reporting a virtual screen of around 152 inches with a 52-degree field of view. Brightness is listed at 1,500 nits. Visually, that's a strong combination, wide enough to feel spatially present, bright enough to hold up in varied lighting conditions. Here's where it gets interesting. The Arvature Luma XR glasses support full 6 DOF, 6 degrees of freedom, combined with hand gesture controls powered by a triple camera depth sensing system. That means you're not just watching content, you're interacting with it. You can reach out and engage with elements in front of you, mid-air, without touching any device. It also reportedly converts 2D video and game content into 3D in real time. The practical effect is that older media, things not originally designed for spatial viewing, can be experienced in a way that feels meaningfully different from flat viewing. Audio is powered by Harman, which typically translates to a sound signature that's full and cinema adjacent. Comfort engineering includes adjustable arms and built-in myopia correction, reportedly up to -4.0 diopters, which is a meaningful inclusion for a large portion of users who wear prescription lenses. Users who've spent real time with this one consistently describe the immersion as the headline takeaway. The Spacewalker companion app has drawn some criticism for needing polish, noted. But when the core experience works, it reportedly works well. This is a specialist pick. If gesture control and spatial interaction are your priorities, nothing else on this list gets there. But the final one? It's the pick that doesn't require you to compromise on anything. The XREAL One AR. Glasses come in at $569 and represent something harder to pull off than any single standout feature, everything working well at the same time. The display uses a 0.68-inch Sony micro OLED panel, delivering a virtual screen of around 147 inches with full HD resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Brightness is reported at 5,000 nits, a figure that, if accurate in practical use, would make these among the most daylight-capable AR glasses available. Outdoor use, which typically exposes every weakness in AR optics, reportedly holds up significantly better than competing panels at lower brightness ratings. XREAL built in a 32:9 ultra-wide mode that reportedly expands the virtual canvas to around 265 inches for multitasking or gaming use cases. For productivity, that's a meaningful addition. The spatial computing is powered by XREAL's own X1 chip, which handles native 3DOF, 3 degrees of freedom, tracking internally. That means the glasses respond to natural head movement without relying on external sensors or pairing with a separate compute unit. The experience stays smooth as you shift, tilt, and turn through your environment. Audio tuning was handled by Bose engineers. That's a specific collaboration choice that shows up in the listening experience. Balanced output with genuine depth, not just loud. At around 84 grams, the weight lands in a range that most users don't notice after the first few minutes. USB-C connectivity covers iPhones, PCs, Steam Decks, ROG Ally, and most standard devices. No proprietary adapter ecosystem to navigate. Reviewers consistently describe the XREAL one as the glasses that feel just right. Not overbuilt for a narrow use case, not stripped down to hit a price target. The feature set lands in the space where daily use actually makes sense. And that detail most reviewers don't emphasize enough? The 5000 nit brightness combined with the X1 chip's stabilization means this is one of the first AR glasses that genuinely works outside in daylight without asking you to find shade before it performs. That's the unlock that changes how you actually use it day to day. Five pairs. 5 very different answers to the same question. The Rokid Max 2 AR glasses are the clear pick for anyone who wants a massive, comfortable display for media without any battery management. The Oakley Meta Vanguard is built for athletes who want to record and stay connected without breaking stride. The Raino Air 3S Pro XR delivers a remarkably capable AR experience at a price that leaves room to breathe. The Arvature Luma XR glasses are the choice for people who want spatial computing and gesture interaction right now, today. And the XREAL One AR glasses are the strongest all-around argument for a single pair that handles nearly every situation without asking you to make trade-offs. Which one fits your setup? Drop your pick in the comments. And if 2 of these are close calls for you, mention both. Genuinely curious what your use case is. If this helps, a like keeps more of this kind of content coming, and subscribing means you'll be here when we go deeper into the next round of hardware that's worth your time. Speaking of which, there's an incoming class of AR and mixed reality hardware that makes everything covered here look like an early draft. That's the next video. You'll want to catch it.